Alright guys, we are back once again in One Arena Cainta for the second bracket ng ating semifinals. Sino kaya ang mananalo dito? Ang Kasiglahan Village National High School or ang FP Felix Memorial National High School? Alright, so nakikita natin na medyo home court yata to ng FP Felix and yan, nakikita natin mag-warm up ang mga players and mga coach nila guys. Keys to the game guys, sino magwawagi sa dalawang star player ng dalawang teams? Si Mauricio or si Bablis?
And now the representatives of Kasiglahan Village National High School. Wearing jersey number 24, Hayden Bablis. Wearing jersey number 28, Christian Bacudo. Wearing jersey number 19, Tristan Lemon. And wearing jersey number 26, Raymar Canlas. And their coach, Ponciano de Los Angeles. And now, from Francisco P. Felix Memorial National High School, wearing jersey number 25, Ray Mauricio. Wearing jersey number 8, Patrick Belardo. Wearing jersey number 11, Peter De Guzman. And wearing jersey number 4, Andre Cablao. And their coach, Sir Jelvin Macario.
Grabe ang home court advantage natin ngayon.
Alright. Their last game ng Kasiglahan. Si Tristan Lemon na nagpanalo ng destiny natin kung mauulit niya yung mga clutch shot ngayon araw na ito. This was set ball. Alright, isolation agad. Uy! First step, out. Good defense. Lemon, nakakain. Uy, lakas. Grabe yung home counter. Mauricio, parang NCAA ah. Dire-diretso, upgrade. Bang! Look at that shot! Patrick Bernardo! Grabe si Patrick. First step, no good. Ito na yung kanilang top 8, top scorer. Gusto niya yung bola. No, na-patient sila. Oops. Basket agad, dalawa agad. Ray Mauricio! Pagdating sa pasang FP Felix talaga yung pinakamabilis eh. Uy, grabe yung pasok ni Bablis. Parang butas na.
FP Felix Memorial National High School first team foul.
Here we go. Grabe yung distraction na home counter. Bablis. No. Mauricio. Gets his two-pointer. No. Hindi pa nakakawakan ng mga Kasiglahan. Ito na kaya magiging unang puntos nila. Lemon. Oh, crossover. Pinatay. Gets rebound. Bablis wide open. Minek. Good fade. Euro. No good. Pero ganda na. Kung pumasok lang ito. Set up. Relax lang daw. Uy, grabe bilis. No. Number 4. No. Traveling. And this time. 10 minutes. Bablis. Hop, go to the big. First step. Step back. Big. Big. Bang. That was the first score of
Christian Bacudo.
Nagaling ng mga players ngayon. Ang ganda ng depensa. Whose ball it is? Same ball.
Shot clock 5 seconds.
5 seconds na lang.
Shot clock 5 seconds.
Kailangan na nila madali ito. Dire-diretso. Sakto. No good. No. You can't get. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Kasiglahan Village. De Guzman goes in, number 11. na, Tristan mabilis setting this up. They want Tristan Lemon. ISO. Tristan Lemon. Ang ganda ng defense ang pinakita. Mauricio, relax lang daw. Uy, ganda ng play naman yun. Ayun ang mga pasahan.
Shot of 5.
No good. Nakakuha ng kasiglahan. Looking for the tie. Mabilis, setting this up for the pick. Nope, cancel. Mabilis, double cross. All the way. Gets it good.
Aiden Mabilis.
Look at that talent. Aiden with that shot. Mauricio setting it up. Playing big point. There goes his fire.
Shot of 5.
All the way. Pass. Na-shoot pa rin. Nakulo. Grabe.
Bobby stand up.
Kasiglahan ball. With 7 and 10 remaining. Tristan Lemon wants that ISO. He wants to clear up. Crossover. Look at that speed. Lemon. Basket's good. Ito na.
Basket counts for Tristan Lemon.
Wala na
FB Felix, second. Team foul.
Lemon. Nope. Nakawan mo lang, there's a foul. Bilardo with an offensive foul. A little extension of the hand. And we have a tie the ball.
FB Felix, third team foul.
Please. Gusto ulit ni Lemon yung bola. He wants that ISO again, all the way, same move. Ganda ng depensa. Pero nawakan yung bola. Same ball, same
Shot clock 3 seconds.
We have a tie.
Shot clock 3 seconds.
Layo. No good. May Guzman wants a big note. Inansel. Dire-diretso. Layup. No good. Lemon grabbing the board. Maganda kay Lemon. Flexible. Please. Oh, what a fake! Oh. That was good. Mauricio. No, 4-2, no good. Please get it ball. Lemon all the way. First step, grabe.
Tristan Lemon.
Yan ang maganda pag may height ka tapos sabay fit pa yung katawan mo. Oo na ka talaga. Lemon again. Whoop. First step na naman. There was a foul.
Basket counts for Tristan Lemon.
Sobrang init na ni Aiden foul. Lemon. Tristan Lemon. No. Mauricio, tala. Gusto niya yung bola? Same play. Ito yung ball rotation na sinasabi ko kanina, play. There was a hand check foul. 5-3 favor Kasiglahan. Mauricio fake. Kailangan na pong bumalik yung Mauricio. Uy, taas tumalon! Look at that athletic
Peter de Guzman.
What a follow-up by the Guzman. Shankar, all the way from please. Ang ganda naman nun. Sayang. That could have been the move of the game. Please trying to stay in the lead with this free throw line. Walang home court advantage daw. Oh, what a turnover. That could be a big turning point of the game. We are halfway to go. But please wants to set it up. What a smart play. Just a lead by 2. And look at that first step. But please, with a drop pass, no good. Gotta take it out. Ito na. Hello. Oh! Look at that! And Mauricio.
Shot clock 5.
Guzman na naman. Bumubulit. Ciao!
Peter Guzman, 2 points.
Umiinit si Idol ah. Dalawang sunod. Yun ang turning point ng game na to. Relax lang daw. Mabilis, setting it up. He wants that ISO. 1v1.
Shot clock 5.
Mabilis first step. Hey!
Basket catch for Hayden Bliss.
Yan ang makakasahan na yung Hades. I don't wanna lose. Going for the tie. No good. Left against the ball. Mauricio. Nakuha ni Mabilis. Sabi na bilis niya eh. Hey! No! Look at that! That was close. Kuha na ng rebound. Set the ball. Lemon na naman. Namiss na ni Lemon yung bola. Ito na siya ulit. Dire-diretso kaliwa.
Preston Lemon.
Ay, Bogey. Look at that game. Titira ulit si Idol. No. Mauricio. Ikot yung bola. Right. Dire-diretso. No. De Guzman ulit.
Shot clock 3.
Another one.
Peter De Guzman, 2 points.
Sobrang init ni Idol ah. Init ang kape. Mabilis na init din. Basket's good. Bawi agad.
Hayden Bliss.
Ayaw talaga ni Mabilis. Isa na lang. De Guzman mainit. Sobrang init ito. Titira ba? Siya ulit. No?
Shot clock 3.
Dardo. Nakuha ni Lemon. Ganda na laban. Napitawan. Sabi ang kamay ni Mauricio. Not now! Wala na yung init na idol. Nakuha ni Lemon. Lemon, isolation. Umatake si Lemon. Ang lakas!
Tristan Lemon.
It's all tied. 2:42 remaining in the clock. De Guzman. ISO.
Shot clock 5.
5 seconds. Ang ganda ng depensa. Look at that.
Time out. FB Felix Memorial National High School.
Hayden
The
Mabilis.
score is tie at 10. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Hayden Mabilis showing some heart out here. One of the smallest guy in the court with the biggest heart. Polo na kasi lahat, a chance to get the lead. Hayden Mabilis, the hardest guy in the court. Lemon, not now, nakuha ni Hayden. Hayden Mabilis. Oh, problem sa wall, look at that! Oh, malaterin strong yun ah. Value. No?
Shot clock 5.
Ganda ng depensa. Mauricio, what a fake. Mauricio, what a pass. Oh, di umabot.
Last 2 minutes.
Mabilis, wants a clear out. Dire-diretso, iwan. Uy!
Basket catch for Hayden Bliss.
Grabe yung mga athlete in this game. Hayden Mabilis. Let's see. Gets it. You wanna win. This guy wanna win. De Guzman. Nakatay nila malipis si De Guzman. Uy! Galang kailangan ito. Nice move. Good block. Grabe si Hayden Mabilis. Gusto naman ni Lemon. Maganda dito sa kasiglahan. Salitan sila. Wala nang babakawan.
Shot clock 5.
5 seconds. Another cross. Oh, almost a front ankle break. Oh. Masyadong tumagal yung possession. Well, 10 in favor of kasiglahan. De Guzman will bring it out. De Guzman, Belardo, number 8. Respond 2, not now, nawala yung ulit. Set daw, sabi ni Bablis, 110 remaining. Ayaw niya, gusto niya ISO. Oh, nakawala si Bablis, dire-diretso. Uy, ganda ng depensa, anak niya ito. Forward high. No, not this time, gets his rebound. No, lakas. Nakakuha ni Bablis ulit. Set daw. No. Oh, wait, wide open, nakikita mo ba? Yo!
Winner in this round, 2 points.
And one all the way.
Tristan Lemon.
Okay, Bablis, setting it up. Lamang sila isa. Ito na, nakakamoy na yata. First step, Bablis. Floater. Yes!
Aiden Bablis.
Nakatakbong oras. Isa ba? Kainin ka ba? Muntik na. Not now. Nahawakan ka, may chance pa yata. Time out ang tinawag ni Coach.
Time at Casiglan Village National High School.
Ganda ng laban. They need 2 points to get the tie with 8 seconds remaining. Buwan ng bola. Sino natin ang 5! Didiretso niya ito. No! Nakuha ni Mauricio. Natakot mo! Kasiglahan gets this one. Grabe.
And advancing to finals is Casiglan Village National High School.
We are the dreamers, we make it happen, 'cause we can see it.
Alright, so kasama natin ngayon si Hayden Bablis, which is actually the player of the game. Grabe Hayden, nakita ko yung bilis mo doon at determination mo sa opensa at depensa. Ano ang paboritong play na ginawa niyo sa team sa game?
Yung ISO po ni Lemon, isolation niya po.
Ito, humble din to eh. Isolation daw ni Lemon. I'm sure pag tinanong ko si Lemon, si Hayden yung sasabihin niya. Pero the key point of the game, nakita ko yung sa first step ni Lemon, nag-work. Tapos nakakakuha siya ng mga foul, ng mga free throw. Paano mo pinaghandaan yung shooting mo ngayon? Ito yung inyo na panalo sa game, yung mga free throw eh.
Ano po, nag-50 free throw po ako araw-araw sa court namin para po may shooting po ako dito.
Nakita nyo na, if ginawa nyo yun, ganun ang resulta na mapapakita nyo. Alright, Hayden, baka meron kang shoutout na gusto mo i-shoutout sa mga friends mo, mga family mo, or teammates.
Shoutout ko lang po yung mama ko, si Hazel Cruz, tas si Seth Ponce po, tas Lemon, tas si Bakudo, tas si Canlas.
Alright, that's it. Our player of the game, Hayden Bablis. Congratulations.